Something about me is that I love to switch up my look. I love to be super casual, natural one day, and then the next day I might be glam. I might want to change my hair. I might want to have curly brown hair, and then maybe the next day I'll be platinum and have short hair. But whatever it is, I have a wig for everything. I have to tell you about the UniWig toppers. They are flippin' amazing, my absolute favorite. Let me tell you a little bit about them. I am wearing one of the toppers. I had it matched to my hair so that it really blends in. You can see all the colors in here. It's so gorgeous and it's real human hair. So this one was created with bangs. When you order, they actually will cut bangs if you want them. You can choose your length. You can choose a shorter one, whatever is gonna blend in with your hair. And then it makes it fuller. You can curl it, you can do anything that you would normally do with human hair. This is just my natural hair here, so you can see it's quite similar to the topper. By the way, this one is the Almond Frost. I will put everything in the description box and on here, but that is the one that I have. It's the 16-inch, and like I said, they come in all different lengths and colors, and this is what the inside looks like. So it's all lace, and then it's got the clips here. All right, let's put it on. So this is how I do it. It's super simple. You just make sure all of the clips are open, and you're just going to put it on top of your hair, clip it down, and then you can feel back here where they are. Put it under, like dig it kind of into the hair, and then that's it. It's on. I honestly wore this for an entire day. Spent the day with my husband. He didn't know that it wasn't my hair. Like, he honestly just didn't even know. I met up with friends later that day. She's like, did you change your hair? Did you get your hair done? And nobody can tell that it's not really my hair because A, it's a lace front, which are the highest quality, best wigs or toppers that you can get because it's the most realistic hairline. And then the fact that it has bangs, so it really kind of conceals any sort of hairline as it is. And so this is just really good for anyone who wants just a little bit of extra volume or thickness to their hair. It just adds that little bit of extra hair so that you can feel more confident, more beautiful, whatever you want to have. You can change up your look any day that you want. Nobody's gonna know. It's like put on there. You can swing your hair around. It's not gonna go anywhere. It is just so wonderful. I'm absolutely in love.